Adidas has a unique look. Even when they're going for a cult classic style sneaker, they still manage to put their own unique twist on it, so they're unmistakable. Seeley is no exception. Our favorite part about these men's skate shoes is the unique bottom. There's not only a zigzag design for added traction, but circular designs to lock onto your pressure points and provide extra dexterous movements when you're on your board. Adidas threw in a high-quality rubber insole, as well as a synthetic construction which is nice and simple to keep clean. If you're not a fan of the basic black, there are half a dozen different styles that these Adidas shoes come in, and a high fit is expected rating as well. The comfort, style and the fashion that you get with these shoes is just amazing. Keep your style looking fresh in the Atwood skate shoes by Vans. This skate-inspired low-top shoe will add that perfect touch of casual cool to any outfit. This shoe offers rubber sole. It comes with SPD cleats fitting. These trainers are true to size and fit as expected, 88%. These new sneakers provide gum rubber sole and waffle sole. These Lugz men's clipper sneaker are a perfect fit for you if you are looking for skate shoes. Slip these fashionable Oxford sneakers on and go. The slip-on clipper features a breathable canvas upper for superior comfort and a durable rubber outsole for excellent traction. The clipper is that versatile sneaker you can wear anywhere. You can choose this product since each provides excellent value for the money. DC likes to keep their prices on the low side, and we couldn't be happier about that. With a notoriously long lifespan, Graffik skate shoes are the best skate shoes for gents on a budget who want to see extended use. Some users have even reported 7 full years before needing to replace them. From the collar to the outsole, everything is on point. You get a padded tongue and collar to keep it nice and comfortable throughout your ride, accompanied by a rubber insole for added support. You'll notice a few holes punched into the leather exterior. That's intentional, they're compression vents to help keep it cool and reduce foot stink. Last but not least, the bottom is a beaded rubber design, which kind of looks like the DC logo as you squint to keep you in full control of your board and movements. Be sure to also check out our list of the best Under Armour shoes for more great items like this. This is the DC Men's Pure Skate shoes. These are shoes that are designed for the male feet, thus, they come in a wide range of feet sizes to accommodate all their different feet forms. These skate shoes are made with rubber on the outsole, leather on the upper, and textile in the lining. These material choices come together to allow this unit to stand out from the crowd with ease. The DC White skate shoes have a mesh lining, which aids in breathability, and it also has an abrasion-resistant outsole that enhances the durability of the shoes. We are recommending this unit for all men because it protects your feet and offers the best comfort levels you could ever experience. Invest in DC shoes because they are robust, well-finished, comfortable, durable, and extremely eye-catching. Another classic in front of you. One of the most comfortable models on the market. Don't let fat tongue fool you, it still has lots of room inside the shoe itself. They are really durable for its size, so it's common practice to have the same model over and over again, since users claims that this one is the most comfortable they used in years. Loosely laced style is also inseparable from this style. Pros: uncomparable grip, durable for all conditions, attractive and popular design. Grip is amazing. It makes the durability of this model even longer. Trademark Etnies logo on the side makes the design even more attractive. We're suckers for the classic skate shoe look, and this is packing every bit of style you could ever hope for. If you don't dig the basic black, there are over 20 styles to choose from, each with a subtle element that's been swapped out to make it dapper as hell. You get a predominant synthetic construction with some leather accents, keeping it durable yet comfortable enough to move with you. Depending on your preference when riding, you might go for no padding on the tongue and collar. Etnies Fader skate shoe is versatile as an everyday set of kicks, thanks to the padding along the tongue and ample cushioning system built into your heel. Durable, very tough against dirt, and cleans up like a dream. For these Etnies shoes, we'd recommend getting some shoe waterproofing spray as well.